A contents is usually in the beginning of the book. A contents has headings and numbers. The numbers is for the page numbers, and contents is usually in a nonfiction. This text feature is called a heading. A heading is usually a beginning of a book. This right here is a heading, and it's usually of a page, and there's also I think headings help readers so they can get a sneak peek of what the page is going to be about. This text feature is called a caption. A caption is under a picture, and it's trying to show what the picture is trying to show. What it's trying to show. It helps the reader know what the picture is trying to show you about. This feature is called an index. An index is that it has the page numbers, and it helps that you can it helps the reader if you want to go back in the book and look at the pages. Then you just go to the index and you can look at the pages. This text feature is called a diagram. A diagram looks like it's explaining what a picture is trying information. It helps the reader because it knows what the picture is about once more. This text feature is called a glossary. A glossary is that it shows what the words mean if there's a bold word. Glossary helps with the reader because it does, if they don't know the word, they can find it in the glossary. This text feature is called a white space. A white space is when there's like lots of writing and there's a space in between, so it could split the writing so it's easy to see. This helps the reader if you're writing too much and you need to like take a break or yeah. This text feature is called a bold word. A bold word looks bolder than other words in a sentence, darker and bigger. It helps the reader because if you look in the glossary, you could see what it actually means if you don't know what it means. This is a column. These three are columns because there is these are columns that they are like in space. I think columns help the reader because so they can they just go down, and then they start the new line. So there's this space right here. This text feature is called a label. A label looks like there's like a picture and then and then there's like an arrow that points down to where it's actually trying to explain. It helps the reader because it knows what it's trying to show. What it's trying to show, the picture's trying to show something about. What it means.